Hey friends, let's solve question number 7 from workbook. In this question, a circuit diagram is given in which ideal voltage source 10 volt, resistance of 2 ohm and ideal current source 5 ampere are connected in series, and we have to find voltage across the current source. Okay, let's name the terminals of current source A and B. So V out equals to VAB. Alright. By Kirchhoff's current law, by KCL in series current is constant. Okay, now let's redraw the circuit. Two ohm resistance, voltage source of 10 volt and current source 5 ampere. Okay, and this terminal A and this terminal is B. Okay, now let's calculate voltage across 2 ohm resistance. So when 5 ampere current enters into the resistor, then the entering terminal become positive and leaving terminal become negative. Okay, so V 2 ohm equals to voltage across 2 ohm equals to current into resistance. Okay, current is 5 and voltage is 2, so 10 volt. So voltage drop is 10 volt. Voltage drop of 10 volt and voltage source 10 volt are aligned. Okay, so they will get added. Alright, they will get added. Now you can see that by adding it will become 20 volt. Okay, you can see that combined voltage, as we combine 10 volt and 10 will become 20 volt, and they are appearing across the current source. Okay, so the voltage across current source will become 20 volt. Okay, so VAB equals to V out equals to 20 volt. So the correct answer is 20 volt. Thank you.